All right, it is homework time. I want you to practice with this one here, blur number 3. You're welcome. Practice with that one, but that's not what I want you to submit. I want you to kind of practice with blurring his face, tracking it, and the number plate. Then I want you to use your own footage. Okay, so if you are uploading this for your assignments, I want to see something of your own. It can be a logo being blurred. It can be a number plate. You call them license plates. You might call them whatever you call them. Okay, so it can either be face, number plate, maybe a logo, or all of them, depending on your footage. And that's what I want you to kind of render and upload and share with us on both the assignments and project sections. Also on social media, I'd love to see what you do. What I don't particularly want to see is this one. That is for your enjoyment only. I want you to practice with this one and imagine this shoot. Hey, can you meet me by the beach? You don't happen to have sand pants, do you? Anyway, carry on. I will see you in the next video.